Hello everybody, and welcome to the first episode of Programming with Java. So, I actually have a previous video, which is the Java Part 0 video, where I show you how to set up the basic IntelliJ framework and everything. So as you can see here, we have just the default class that it gave us. And actually, for this video, we don't need to know what any of this means, but it is important that we have it there. What we're going to actually be looking at is this line of code. So before getting started, I'm just going to press enter right underneath that, and you'll see it'll automatically format the code like this. This is a bit more standard programming practice. Every line of code has sort of one statement or one line that executes something. So as you can see here, the line that we care about, what it says is system.out.println. And then in parentheses it says hello world with quotes around it, and then another parentheses, and then a semicolon. So what does this mean? This line of code actually means that we are printing a line. And where are we printing the line? Well, if we run the code, you can see a little terminal comes up here, and then all it does is says hello world right there. So this actually looks quite complicated, but it's just something you have to memorize. The system.out.println, all that means just printing one line to the console. So we can actually copy all of this and then paste it here and then say something. So such as my name is eTreatall, or whatever your name is. And then we can try it. So you can actually see here, a new line is printed that says what I just told it to print. So the one thing I didn't really go over is this semicolon right here. And this is required actually. If I remove it and try to run it, you'll see I get an error, and it says Java semicolon expected. So that's a pretty useful error. So we just need to replace a semicolon right there, and make sure you have a semicolon after every statement when you're programming. Every single time that you use a line of code, you need to have a semicolon at the end of the statement. There are a few other things I also need to cover real quick. So why do we have these quotes here? Well, these quotes here actually tell you that whatever is inside of here is a string. Because if I just write something, just the word something, it automatically thinks that it's some sort of variable, when in fact, I just want it to be words. So once I have the quotes around it, it knows it's just words. But I still can't just do that. I need to have the quotes somewhere. So you put the quotes inside of here, inside of the print line statement. And I can also include just simply print. Alright, now the last thing I'm going to introduce is a quick operation that you can do with these strings that I have given you. So what I mean by this is you can type just anything again, just YOLO, and you can put a plus afterwards. This is obviously an addition operator. And you can have another line or another string here, and you can put whatever else you want. I don't know, just today. And then don't forget your semicolon. And if you run this, you will actually see that this works. That these two are combined together while using this addition operator, which might not seem useful right now, but it will become useful when we replace this with a variable instead of just some random line of text. So thank you for watching this quick introduction, and you now know how to use print line, which is actually very useful. So go ahead and play around with this if you so choose, or just watch the next video. Thank you for watching.